I don't know if y'all can hear the end of that. We're having a lightning and thunderstorm. I just went outside a second ago to let the dogs go potty, and I came out at the exact same time a lightning bolt went. Sounds like it's moving to the east. I wonder if I can catch it. It was over there, but I think it's behind us now. That was a good one, though. Oh, there was a little bit. It wasn't very bright, though. Oh, there goes some more. Oh, maybe I should turn the light off. You guys are gonna get to see a thunderstorm. We don't have big thunderstorms here. Not anything super fancy. It'd be cool if I could catch something like that, though. It's a dry thunderstorm. There's no rain. There doesn't seem to be a lot of moisture down here in the air. And the lightning flashes are everywhere up above. Oh, wow, that was actually a good one. Wow, I absolutely can't believe I got that. Oh, damn, I missed that one. Come on, show me another really cool bolt like I just missed. You know, I'm always the crazy one holding phones in the air and taking pictures of lightning storms. At the Petrified Forest National Park, I took Hallie's phone and went out with both of our phones and got smart about it and just started recording and captured some really cool lightning strikes in a really pretty storm. Of course, my camera sucked, so it didn't really turn out very well. I don't think I'm going to capture it again. And I lied. Holy moly, did you see it? Now there's a car coming. I want to see another one. A big old bolt go across the sky. Looks like my neighbors got home. Oh, I missed that one. It was facing the front of me. Man, it's like all around us, actually. Hold the phone straight up. Oh, I wonder if it's just catching flashes. I'll look at the video in a sec, guys. Oh man, I hope I got that. I love it. I'm going under my house a little bit. I'm a little scared. You know, my parents, when we were growing up and there'd be a big lightning storm, we would make popcorn and hot cocoa and fun stuff and sit down with blankets in front of the big sliding glass window so that we could watch the lightning storms. I could totally be a storm chaser. I don't know what my problem is. awesome. I think my dog just shut the door on me. We teach them to shut the door when they want to shut the door, but not when we want them to. Alright, guys, I might be boring you, so I think I'm going to stop in a sec. One more, Lord. One more, makers. Let's go. One more lightning bolt. Bam. Oh yeah, there you go. What about a pretty one that goes across the sky? Do it for us. Make it happen. Go clear across the sky. It would be really neat, wouldn't it? I don't think it wants to. Maybe I just don't have enough patience. I'm just hungry. Oh, well, it's done for. Time to go back inside. I knew it. Lightning storm girls, you don't want to go potty right now. Trust me on that. Bye.